Yep, good fish. Is it a fire tiger? Of course it is. Good morning, fishing family. George Dershel. Everybody calls me Dersh. Saturday, May 10th. We're out of Lorain. We decided to go a little east today. There was a lot of mud in the water coming out of the rivers, so we thought we'd push a little further east and see what we could find in terms of bigger fish. We're out derby fishing, me and Kevin today, and we'll bring you along. But it's pretty muddy still even inside here. All right, Saturday, May 11th, first fish of the day. Yeah, I did. 20 out. All right, nice fish. Stinks out of the boat. Look at that in the new net. Came right out. Flicker shad. That was 190 back, excuse me. Unassisted. Nice fish. On the board, on the board. So, I'm not sure I read the forecast right, but it's pretty windy out of the west. We came out, we're just outside of Lorain, outside the breakwall. We put a 23 and a 16 in the box right out of the gate, but it's definitely challenging fishing. The wind's out of the west. Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom. Or cranberry crush. Kevin's on the board. Nice. Flicker. Flicker shad. What is this on? Cranberry. Cranberry. Let's go cranberry. Almost fell in. I like how wide this net is. Alright, so we've been on a little lull here. We put the worm harness up high. After I had it down low, fish came up and grabbed it. That is a little walleye. Worm harness again, huh? Yeah. That's 3 fish today on the harness. Nice. Oh, he shot it right over me. Yeah. So the day shaped up beautifully out here out of Lorain. Final count is we basically have our 2-man limit, and the grade of fish is a little bit smaller than what we've been seeing over at Huron. We had fun, we saw fish on the scope, but the numbers in the schools are less right now here in Lorain than they have been in Huron in the Western Basin. So they're making their way here. We had a good day. We avoided the mud. I don't know if you can see it, but if you look out, the mud had been coming out of the rivers, and the wind basically pushed it to the east. And so we've cleaned up now. The water is a whole lot cleaner than what we started. It was muddy this morning. Hope it helps. Tight lines.